Welcome back, children. How are you all? Hope you are all safe and staying happy at home, right? Okay, children. See, like in the first lesson, we studied about the main phenomena in biology, that is the crop production and the management. Okay, and in this lesson, we are going to get introduced to a new concept. Okay, that's nothing but the microorganism. Whether microorganism is our friend or our enemy, about that we are going to read in this lesson. Okay, today I'm going to give just only the introduction about this lesson. In the next video we'll go deep inside the chapter. Okay, see, micro means it is very smaller in size. An organism is living thing. The microorganism is a minute living organism which cannot be seen through our naked eye. Like when you just see, you won't be able to see. You won't be able to identify. Okay, so those sort of organism is called as microorganism. See, a good example for the microorganism is the fungi. Okay, see, in the rainy season or even when there is little more moisture, if we keep the coconut open or if we leave the tomatoes few more days outside, or if we keep the bread unnoticed for few days, what happen? You'll find somewhat grayish or bluish or somewhat blackish patch growing on it. Okay, mummy will tell it is spoiled, throw it away. That's nothing but the fungi. Fungi is also a microorganism. Okay, when you get back to the school, I'll show you the microorganism under the microscope. Okay, microscope is an instrument through which we can see the microorganism. The organism which is not possible to see through our naked eye can be seen through the microscope. Okay, so once when we meet each other, I'll show the microorganism under the microscope. Okay, it is this microorganism, they don't have any restriction. It is seen all over the world. It is seen, it is present in water. It is present in the air which we breathe in. Okay, it is already present in our mouth. We have bacteria in our mouth. Okay, the millions and millions of microorganisms are seen stuck to our body. So microorganism, it is microbes or microorganism, it is a tiny living organism which is seen all over the world. Okay, no exception for it. Everywhere it is seen. And these microorganisms, for your information, children, they are of two types. One, sort of microorganisms, they are friendly to us. Okay, they help us in many ways. There are microorganisms which is used as medicine. Okay, there are microorganisms which is used for fermentation of food. Have you heard about yeast, which is used for bread preparation? And in Kerala, they'll be using it for appam preparation. Okay, or there is a microorganism which converts milk into curd. Okay, there is a microorganism which ferment the batter of idli or dosa. There are microorganisms which is used as the medicine for many diseases. You might have seen streptococcus, staphylococcus, erythromycin. Erythromycin is a medicine which is used for our skin to get rid of pimples. These microorganisms are friendly microorganisms. Okay, and there are set of microorganisms which is not our friend. They are an enemy. They cause disease. Now the whole world it is shaken because of a microorganism, namely corona. It is a virus. Virus is a microorganism. And few years back, there was another one microorganism which causes severe respiratory syndrome. Okay, SARS was a disease which was spreading very vigorously in the year 2003, 2004 in those area time. Maybe you were not born Okay, and much more little earlier, there was one more disease, namely AIDS, which was spreading vigorously. Okay, even now we can find people suffering with cancer, a common cold, a cough, a fever. Okay, all these are because of the microorganism which is not friendly to us. Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to see in detail how these microorganisms, they are friendly to us or they are enemy to us. Okay, so about this we are going to read in this lesson. Okay, and we have four groups of microorganism, namely bacteria, fungi, protozoan and algae. Okay, about these four we are going to study. Apart from this, we are going to study one more microorganism, that is virus. And this virus shows dwell nature. Dwell nature means they'll be acting as non-living outside. When they enter inside the any organism's body, they'll become live. Okay, when it is outside, they'll be acting as though they are dead. And when it enters inside any organism, they'll gain the life. So we are going to study about 5 microorganisms. 4, it is a common microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, protozoan and algae. And then we are going to continue with the virus. Okay, about all this we are going to study, and we are going to study in detail in this lesson. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.